Hi there, this is SaDesign channel. Today I'm going to show you the way to add graphic to complex perspective in Photoshop. Here I have this pattern. Let's select and copy it with Ctrl A and Ctrl C. Move to our project. I already separated the girl out of the background in layer 1. Create a new layer under layer 1 by simply click to beige icon below. Now we are going to define the perspective. It means let Photoshop know the perspective in this image. To do that, go to Filter, Vanishing Point. Pick up Blend tool, see Shortcut, create boundary in the step. Make sure to keep the subject in center. It looks good. When the plane is in blue, it will create a better result. So try to create as much blue planes as possible instead of red ones. Sometimes you may come across yellow as well, and it's fine. Just stay away from the red rectangles. Plus, ensure the plane is accurate on the surface. Now, hold Alt, click and drag the point in the middle to extend the plane in 90 degrees, which is following the step. Keep doing this until you create the planes for all the steps that you want to put the graphic. Remember, the more accuracy you did, the better result you will get. Once you're done, paste the graphic that you copied at the beginning to this photo with Ctrl or Command V. Use Ctrl T, expand it to fill all the perspective. Then hit OK. Next, open blending options. In underlying layer, hold Alt, click and drag to split black triangle into half to the right for decreasing black area. This step is removing black parts of the layer which are underneath it from the current layer. Duplicate layer 0 and take the copy layer above layer 2. Press Ctrl Alt G for Windows or Command Option G for Mac to clip it to the below layer. Turn it into black and white by using Ctrl or Command Shift U to remove the color of it. Change blend mode from normal to multiply. Adjust the opacity to the point that you feel it looks natural. Create a curve adjustment layer. Click it to layer 2 with the small square icon and add a bit of contrast to it by increasing highlight and decreasing shadow. That's it. Enjoy! Hope that you like this tutorial. Hit like, subscribe our channel to update the latest tutorial on a daily basis. Feel free to leave comments in case you have any question. Thank you and bye bye.